It's all in your head, only your imagination. It's all in your head, only your imagination. It's Greek to me, incomprehensible. I cannot understand anything. It's not rocket science. Used to say that you do not think that something is very difficult to do or to understand. It's raining cats and dogs, raining extremely heavily, a very heavy downpour. Ivory towards detachment and illusion, imaginary world, judgist eye, a prejudiced view. Jog someone's memory to cause someone to remember something. Judas kiss, deceitful pretense of friendship. Jump the gun, start something too soon or act hastily, said it before it was the right time. Jumping down my throat, scolding. Kangaroo court, false court that does not follow the legal standards. Keep a civil tongue, speak with great politeness. Keep a low profile to avoid attracting attention to yourself. Keep a straight face, not laugh or change your expression even though you want to laugh. Keep abreast of, keep oneself updated. Keep an ear to the ground, staying informed and updated about everything. Keep at arm's length, to be at a distance with someone, avoid being friendly with someone. Keep count of, to remember a total. Keep in check, to control something. Keep in touch, to maintain contact with another person. Keep one's head, remain calm. Keep one's word, to uphold one's promise. Keep someone in the loop, give them all the information. Keep someone posted, keep sharing the latest information. Keep the ball rolling, to maintain progress. Keep under one's head, to keep something secret. Keep up appearances, to pretend to be happier or rich, so as to conceal the real situation. Keep up with the Joneses, strive to match one's neighbor in spending and social standing. Keep your chin up, remain cheerful and hopeful in difficult circumstances. Keep your shirt on, to remain cool. Keep your wig on, to calm down. Keep hold something at bay, to control something and prevent it from causing your problems. Prevent someone from moving closer. Keep an open house, welcomes all members. Kept a level head, both sensible. Kept a stiff upper lip, remained expressionless. Kick someone when they are down, to cause further trouble to someone already in a difficult situation. Kick the bucket, to die. Kicked up a row, made a great fuss, caused a disturbance. Kicking his heels was wasting time. Killed two birds with one stone, to serve two purposes at one time, to achieve two results with a single effort. Kit and kin, blood relatives. Kitty corner, things located diagonally opposite each other. Knock down, to demolish. Know like the back of one's hand, to have detailed knowledge of something. Know something inside out, to know everything about something. Knows how many beans make five, well informed and intelligent. Let down, their arms surrendered. Lap up, accept eagerly. Large-hearted, generous. Last but not least, last in order of mention or appearance but not last in importance. Left on it onto something, to become firmly attached. Late in the day, to delayed, to be of any use. Latin and Greek, unable to understand. Latin and Greek, unable to understand. Laugh like a drain, laugh loudly. Plurals, to unbreak prestige. Lay hands on, to touch or grasp someone, often with the threat of violence. Lay out, spend. Laying it on thick and exaggeration. Laying off, dismissal from joke off. Lead someone by the nose, to completely control or dominate someone. Lean and mean, ready and efficient. Learn by heart, to memorize something. Learn, know the ropes. Learn to do particular jokes. Be informed about the details, to know how to do a joke or task properly. Leave no stone unturned. Try every possible course of action in order to achieve something. Leaves you in the lurch. Leave someone in a helpless condition. Desert someone in rich difficulties. Left out in cold, to be ignored. Left, right and center, happening in a lot of places or to a lot of people. Lend me your ear, to politely ask for someone's full attention, to pay attention to. Lend someone a hand, to help or assist, especially voluntarily. Let bygones be bygones. Forget past offense or cause of conflict and be reconciled. Let down to fail. Let off steam to work or pay off excess energy. Let sleeping dogs lie. Do not bring up an old controversial issue. Let something slip through one's fingers to waste an opportunity to achieve something. Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret carelessly or by a mistake. Let the chips fall bare me. Let something happen without bothering about the consequence. Let the grass grow under one's feet, to remain idle. Let your hair down. Behave freely and uninhabitedly, to take it easy and relax.